In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix low views on Instagram. This is a huge issue that plagues a lot of people, especially with newer accounts. And I want to speak on this after years of knowledge, and I take this topic extremely seriously. You're not going to find this information anywhere else on YouTube. So please like and subscribe if you appreciate me getting straight to the point. I'm not going to take 10 minutes of your time or more talking about random stuff. So to fix your low views, what's happening first and foremost is that Instagram doesn't trust your account. It thinks you're a bot. So you have to look human, which is easier said than done. The first way to do that is to make sure that your account was created properly. Okay, so that means you created with a email that's preferably 3 weeks old. You confirmed with your phone number. You have two-factor authentication turned on. You're trying to look like a human. You understand? From there, you make sure you have a good picture, a bio. Everything's filled out. Everything's ready to go. And then from there, you want to switch to a creator account instead of a personal account. That way, you can just kind of keep up with your numbers, and you're telling Instagram, like, I'm a creator. I'm not just like a person that watches videos. I'm a creator. Once you've done all that, you've taken the first step to improving your trust score. Most people don't know what trust score is. But basically, it's this jail, like this view ceiling that you're experiencing when you get low views. Is Instagram saying, we don't trust your account yet. We don't really know who to push it to. We don't, like, it is competitive out here. Every time you post a video, you're competing with thousands of other people who posted videos. Okay, so your content and your account needs to be better than theirs. And chances are, especially if you're newer, it makes sense that Instagram's going to trust these older, more established accounts. But that doesn't mean it's impossible. You just have to stay consistent and do the right thing. So the first thing is with your account setup. I shared that. And the second thing is with your content. You need a breakout, man. You need some videos that break out. So let's say you're stuck at, under 200 views. Once you have a video that breaks out, then you can start to feel more comfortable that you're going to break out again, right? So like you're out of the view ceiling on that post, and then now your account becomes more trusted. So the more engagement your posts get, the more trusted your account becomes, okay? And there's a couple different ways that you can do that through your content, okay? So what you need to do is first, make sure that you're using some kind of call to action in your content to get people to engage. So I like to say, comment ready, and I'll send you a guide, whatever. And it gets people commenting. The more comments, the better, because watch time and shares are all, part of this. And I'm getting a call. From there, like, you want people in the comment section, right? Looking at the comments, commenting, because that's increasing the watch time in the background. Okay. Then you need some kind of call to action. If you say, send to yourself immediately, that counts as a share. Something like that, right? Like send to a friend. Shares are extremely important. Saves are extremely important, and watch time. Those are the main three. Likes also matter, and comments and all that. But if you can get shares and saves and watch time, you're going to crush it. So you want those call to actions, whether it's through your speaking or through your caption. Tell people to engage with your content, okay? So once you've then put together your account information, you got all that good to go, then you're posting consistently with the right call to action, and you're the best way, I'll speak more on the content here, and I'm giving you all the sauce here. The best way, and I analyzed this for a very long time. I posted for years, not knowing what the heck I was doing. I thought that I was providing value. I thought that I was producing good content. But it wasn't until I took the time to analyze what other successful creators are doing. That's when I fully understood like what to do on Instagram. I found the most popular posts. And this was before you could even sort by most popular posts on Instagram. Some updates can do that now. But basically, you want to find the most popular posts in your niche and copy them. It's as simple as that. You make them your own. You use the exact same hooks, exact same captions, not the exact same, but very, very close. And then it's just your video in the background. A lot of people don't even speak during their videos. They just have the text on the screen, and they use short videos. which is part of the viral video framework. You really need to unlock the full system in order to grow on Instagram and get out of this low view drill that you're in. Okay. So you have the accounts, you know what to post, and then consistency over time. You can't expect that you're going to break out of that view jail in one day. What I want you to trust is that when your account does start to gain traction, the older videos that you posted will start to also gain traction. You need to trust that it'll come. Okay. The third thing, so you got your account, you got your posting, and third thing you need to do to fix your low views is to interact with other accounts in your niche. Now, this is like time staking. It doesn't seem like it's going to help, and I get it. People talk about commenting on other posts. You do need to comment within your niche. So find the best videos in your niche, comment on those posts, try to be of super valuable content that creator is going to see, that the people consuming the content is going to see. Try to get the top comment. This is doing several different things. Number one, it's bringing people to your page, anyone who's clicking through that comment. But secondly, it's telling Instagram who to show your content to, okay, which is super important. You're trying to tell Instagram, like, these are my people. This is who I interact with. And that way, those people see your content and they're actually interested, and that's when you get better watch time and better engagement. Okay. So the combination of all three of those things. I mentioned the comments, but you also need to, save those posts, like those posts, and then DM those creators as well. So you're engaging as much as you can. And then the fourth thing is to share stories. So you're kind of using the platform in all the different ways, looking like a human so it doesn't think you're a bot. And from there, you're telling the platform who you're interacting with. I gave you all the sauce in this video. If you don't like and subscribe right now, there's a problem. All right. Now, with all that said, if you're on this video and you're trying to fix your low views, it's because you're trying to make money. The best way to make money from Instagram is to promote my school group, where I teach you how to refer other people to the group for 50% reoccurring commissions every single month. There's no other affiliate program like that in the world. Check the link in the description below if you're interested in joining that. And I hope you got some value from this video, man. So you're making sure your account's good, your content's good, your engagement is good, and you're posting your stories. So with that, you're going to break out of your low view jail, and I wish you the best.